not going to keep you long again today. Really simple salad. This is a Afghan or Afghani salad. Very, very easy. Cucumber, grated carrots, tomatoes, about equal amounts. Shredded or sliced onion, about half the amount to these guys. Lemon juice, fresh coriander or cilantro, and a bit of salt in a bowl. Mix it and we're done. Okay, so I've got a mixing bowl. As you can see, onions, carrots, tomatoes and cucumber. Let's add some salt to that. Some lemon juice. No oil in this one, just lemon juice. And our fresh cilantro or coriander. There you go. I'm going to give that a mix and we're finished. Okay, and there you go. Simple as can be, wasn't it? Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.